So one of the things that I still see on a regular basis when I go out in the field is builders that take the bathroom exhaust fans and run them to the soffit vents. Okay, and that's one of the things that's great about building science is there's cause and there's effect. And what is the cause of what is the repercussion of taking that out of the soffit vent? Okay, the soffit vents are located out here in the eaves, and they allow air to come in through. Now I have baffles here that you can see because my insulation is very deep, but that air is then allowed to take warm, moist air out of the ridge vent up the top. Now, if you run your bathroom fan to the soffit, you're inherently going against the physics of what wants to occur inside of the building. So that warm, moist air in the wintertime gets pushed up into this roof deck area, and it usually happens about this area here around the neutral pressure plane of the attic, and it actually condensates and then freezes. And then what happens once that freezes and then thaws? It turns into water and it falls back into the insulation itself, and you can get mold issues. Okay, you can also get mold issues on the roof deck itself. So just by understanding the physics of what wants to happen with warm, moist air inside of a building and inside of an attic, you can see here that mine was vented out of the soffit vent, and I have now changed it and taken it out of the roof deck here, and I have insulated it so that that pipe, that exhaust pipe, which is 4-inch coming off of my 90 CFM bath fan, now cannot condensate and cause any kind of moisture issues inside of the attic. So have those conversations with your builders and help share the knowledge that we want it going out the gable or we want it going out the roof.